What's up guys, Matt with BleepinJeep. It's time to start a new project here on the channel. And I wanted to go over that with you because it's going to be up to you guys what we do from now on for this next project. It's completely up to you. It's going to be a vote. And I don't just mean like I'm going to give you two options. You're going to vote for everything. Not just for the Jeep that we build or the kind of Jeep that we build. You're going to vote for the Jeep first of all. Then you're going to vote for the theme. Then you're going to vote for what kind of lift we use, what kind of wheels we use, what kind of tires we use, how big of a lift, what brand of lift, everything that goes into this, whether we're going to use a certain type of winch, whether we're going to use a certain type of bumper, or you want me to build a bumper. I could go on and on, but the plan is for you guys to decide everything. So for that reason, about 2 weeks ago, I put out a post on all of my social media asking for ideas, and then I would narrow them down for the vote. So what you guys came up with was a lot. There was about, we tallied it up, and there was about 50 different types of vehicles. I need to narrow that down to more like 12, 15 for the actual survey. And let me show you, let me go over with you what kind of vehicles you guys chose. So you chose a full-size Jeep, Toyota truck, ZJ, XJ, XK, which is a Commander, YJ, J truck of some sort, whether it's a J10 or a J20, M715, that's the old military style trucks, an MJ, a WJ, a CJ, a TJ, a Samurai, a KJ. KJ is what? That's the Liberty, I believe. FC, that's the forward control van looking like thing. The DJ, which is could be any number of male vehicles. And the Willys, that could be flat fender Willys, or a truck Willys, or a station wagon Willys. I say Willys. Some people say Willis. What do you say? All right. So here's what I'm going to do. This is how I want you to vote. So on Facebook, it'll only allow me to put two options. So what we have to do is go over to the Facebook group. It's called Club BleepinJeep. And you'll have to sign up to be a member, but this is the only way that I know how to do a survey with more than two options. So that's the way we're going to do it. Club BleepinJeep on Facebook. Become a member over there, and then if I can pin it to the top, I'll pin it to the top. But otherwise, I will leave this post up for, let's say, a week from the time that this video starts. After that 1 week is over, whatever is in the top spot, that's what I'm going to buy and have to build. After that, I'll buy the Jeep, I'll make another video saying here's what we've bought, and then I'll put out another survey for whatever we're going to do next. I don't know, it'll probably be the theme at that point, and then we'll work our way to what kind of, I don't know, let's say if it's going to be an Overlander, you probably don't want, you know, 50-inch tires or something on it like that. So what are we going to end up with? I have no idea, because it's completely up to you, and it's kind of scary that it's up to you. Here's what, okay, so I said it's completely up to you, and it is, but there's a couple things that I want to cross off of this list, because a lot of people mention that I should build an XJ. Well, if you've been following the channel for long enough, you know that I've already built 4 XJs. I also would like to cross off ZJ because I've built 3 ZJs, and MJ didn't get a lot of votes, so I don't think it's going to win, but I already built a Comanche, so I'd prefer to cross that off the list as well. I'd like to build something that I haven't built before, if that's all right with you guys. If not, let me know and we'll build another Cherokee, but I've built so many, there's no, I can't do anything different. There's no Cherokee that I can build that I haven't built already. So because of that, let's go over some of the builds that I have done in the past. And if you guys want to see me build a Cherokee, you could always go back to the original OG Jeep. Now, this was the first Jeep that I had when I was 16, and I built it from pretty much stock all the way up to this beautiful Jeep that it was, painted, custom paint, beautiful. And then slowly, once I moved here to East Tennessee, it started to deteriorate from bouncing off the trees and the rocks and damage, all sorts of body damage. And then that was what I started this channel with back in 2010 is when I started this channel, and that's the Jeep I had at that point. After that, I think my first build was the Zombie Jeep. That's the Jeep that was built for the zombie apocalypse in case you ever needed to get away from the zombies. Back then, Walking Dead was really popular. I think this would have been about 2012 or so that I built that. After that came the Hope Floats Jeep, which was a really cool XJ that I built up. It was kind of marine themed, or not marine, but I'd say Navy themed. And it was OD green, and which I know is the wrong color, but I didn't know at the time. It was OD green. It was kind of built for moderate rock crawling, desert running, and as you can see from the picture here, it was a pretty cool Jeep, and I ended up selling that to a guy in California. He still has it, still loves it, and goes out wheeling with it all the time. After that, we built the Scorpion Crawler, another XJ. So you can see the theme here, XJ, 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 XJ. So the Scorpion Crawler obviously is the rock crawler that I built for myself to be my off-road rig from now on until the foreseeable future. And so that's what I'm wheeling now. It's the most capable XJ that I could possibly build, and I took my time on it. After that, we built the cheap Jeep, which was a ZJ. I think there was like a $3,000 budget, and it turned out to be pretty cool for what it was. Took a lot of parts off of, you know, cheap parts off of like a JK, and swapped the springs over to make sort of a bastard lift kit, and it was neat for how much it cost. Then the Comanche was pretty much the same thing, but with an MJ on a slightly bigger budget. The budget on that was about $15,000 or so. I might have went a little over that, but that was the one where I bought the CJ, if you remember, and then I took that CJ and used the parts to build the MJ, which I bought the Comanche for 400 bucks. It had a blown engine, pretty much stock, and built what you see as that rock crawler. After that was Project Shipwreck, which was a short-lived ZJ project that we took and destroyed. A lot of people got upset with me for doing that, but it had to be done. Every time I see a ZJ, I just want to destroy it. And then Project JLo, which is my wife's sort of overlander daily driver project. That's just kind of ongoing project in the background. Project JLo is a JL Overlander. That's where I get JLo from, JL Overlander. And like I said, the theme for that is overlanding and daily driving. Big tires, looks cool, and if you ever wanted to take it off-road, would be capable there. So those are the projects that I can remember building. There might be a few more. Of course, we've had other people on the channel come and go as well, building projects and doing some awesome things. But these are just the projects that I've built on the channel that I'm talking about now. So to recap, that's 4 XJs, 2 ZJs, actually 3 ZJs with this one that I'm building now for the project with Busted Knuckle, 1 MJ and 1 JL that we've already built for the channel. So my question for you is, what do you want to build next? It's completely up to you. Go over to Club BleepinJeep on Facebook and cast your vote. And 1 week from now, we will begin with that new project. Completely up to you, based on what you want to do. And I want to give it away, actually, when I'm finished. I haven't worked out the details yet, but I think what I want to do is, if you are a Patreon supporter, or a member on a paying member on the YouTube channel. That's kind of new. Patreon started and then YouTube was like, hey, you guys are taking our revenue. So they started their own kind of Patreon thing. And now I have to do both. It's really complicated. But some people like to do the YouTube membership, which is I think $5 a month. And then some people like to do the Patreon, which, by the way, Patreon, I get more of the revenue. It's like 95%, whereas YouTube takes, I think, 25 or 50%, something like that. But if you would like to help us out with that Patreon or YouTube membership, I am going to put probably a hat and a bucket or something like that. And every month, maybe, I haven't figured out the details yet. I'll put the details up by the time this video goes out on a page on my website, so you can read all about it if you want to. But that's my thought process right now, is that I'll have a way for you guys, and the more, obviously, I need to create some sort of way for the people who are supporting at a higher level will have more of a chance to win. However I can do that, maybe more names in the hat or whatever. And then when we're finished with this, I'd like to ride it at least once or twice or maybe 3 times. But after that, I definitely would like to give it away. I've got too many Jeeps sitting around here and I just don't need another one. But I'd love to make some videos for you guys, help somebody out with a brand new build, whatever it turns out to be. Hopefully it'll be pretty cool, depending on if you guys are voting. May have bumpers, front and rear bumpers that are completely different and all kinds of wacky stuff, but who knows, maybe it'll come out really awesome as well. One more time, Club BleepinJeep on Facebook, go cast your vote, and I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with, and we'll get started. Thanks for watching.